1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello guys, welcome to Medisi Vlogs. I am Pradesh. So in this video, I am going to explain about why you should avoid chicken and maida products like parotha, naan, rotis during your night time. These are the two important things in restaurants. You can't avoid it. Even if you are going to restaurant to avoid this, you cannot do that because you are literally going to eat these items because this you cannot make it at home easily or you don't get the taste. So it is very difficult to avoid these two items. I will give you the side effects of having these two items so that it will pinch your brain to avoid these two items. If you see, there will be drastic changes in your body if you are going to have these two items regularly, that too between night 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, whenever you are going to have a late dinner, and if your dinner dish is having these two items, you are seriously going to get into a trouble. Treat your stomach as a machine. Your stomach is a machine which works from morning to night. But we are giving a adverse effect by eating these two items, by making it work 24/7. Stomach should take rest when you're sleeping. Having foods like chicken and naan during your late night time is going to take more than 5 hours or 6 hours to digest. So if you're having these two foods at late night, so this 5 to 6 hours is going to kill your stomach on a regular basis. Main thing I wanted to say is you have to finish your dinner by 8 or 9 max. Having food around 7 to 8 is literally very good. Chicken is full of rich proteins. It takes more time to digest. Here maida, we don't know what it is made up of. If you see maida, there are many rumors about the maida, how it is made. Some people say it's a bleaching powder, some people say they are using some whitening powder. It drives you crazy. You cannot complain the restaurant because they go and buy the maidas outside only. If you see keenly, there will be no big brand manufacturers of maida in India, even though for few states there will be some big companies. But if you see in a large scale, there will be no big brand will be producing maida and advertising you in TV or something. Hey, we produce maida, please buy it. There will be large big producers for wheat, but for maida itself. This makes us understand how this maida item is going to be very dangerous to your health. The hotel or the restaurant makes business only because of these two items. Because the first thing which we go and order is one of these two items. Because we cannot make these items in home and it will be not delicious as you get it in restaurant. So our mind mentally has put genetics into our body to have these items in if you go to restaurant. That makes your payment worth. Whenever you go to restaurant, you will not order what you get in your home or their daily meals. Because you wanted to differentiate the home food and the restaurant food. That makes us drive crazy into this adverse effect. Okay, let me tell you about some things which happens to the chicken when it comes to the restaurant. So if you go to a chicken butcher shop, you will see that they will be cutting chickens for the individuals. Also, few folks will be cutting behind large scale chickens, like a full portion of chicken. They will clean the inner organs, and there will be chops, there will be lollipops. You can see the different items will be cut. When you are going as an individual, you go for buying a half kg or a 1 kg chicken. But if you see the large scale of butcher cutting will be going behind the scenes, it will be for restaurants only. So restaurants are the main buyers of this broiler chickens. They order it pre-handed on the morning itself. So these chickens are cleaned and cut till morning to afternoon, and it travels to each restaurants. So already 3 to 4 hours has gone from the killing of the chicken. Then whenever the master gets time around 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, they will apply the oil, all the masalas for the chicken. And the time you order will be around 8 or 9 o'clock or even 10 o'clock when you are doing an online order. So see, there is more than 10 hours of chicken exposure to the outside. We still don't know whether the restaurants keep it under fridge or the chicken butcher shop has kept in fridge until he delivers to the right person. So the time you consume is the maximum time took for the chicken to be outside, and it is not the good time for having it in your food. There are chances of chicken getting spoiled or it's got be rotten also if there is no refrigeration in the restaurant. And we might also not know that how many times a power cut happens outside. As we know that the houses have generators and the companies have generators. If the chicken is going to a local restaurant and you are going and ordering around night 10 o'clock, see the situation. So once you have this 10 hours outside chicken without refrigeration, then it has all the masalas or the Indian spices also clubbed up into that, and you have it with the maida, non roti or parotha. Then you go to sleep around 11:30 or 12 after digging into your mobile and TV. Then you are asking your stomach to digest it for 5 to 6 hours. So see the quality of food you are having now, how the stomach will react. So this intense causes gastric problems, obesity, sugar level increase. So gradually on a large scale, it's going to affect you by putting more weights. First thing you have to keep in your mind is stomach is also a machine which you need to give rest on a regular basis. So night is the time stomach has to take rest at that time. So the brain will be signaling a melanin hormone. So this hormone goes to the stomach and the stomach understands that this is the time for us to stop the digestion. So the liver will be producing bile, which is useful for breaking the food into your stomach. When the melanin comes up, the bile will stop secreting, the liver will go for rest, and even the stomach will go for digestion rest. What we are doing here reversely is dumping it all the time and make your stomach cry. This is the thing which results in overweight and other things which I explained before. So if you're a bodybuilder or a person who is trying to reduce the weight, you should follow this. You should avoid these two foods after 9 o'clock. So the best time for having this food is, for maida, I don't suggest to have. For chicken, it should be around afternoon or the evening, not at night. As you cannot go and fight for the restaurant to not provide this, because your desire is the business. Their business is your desire. So if you kill your desire, this is gradually going to kill the restaurant also. So the best way of stopping is, you have to accept that we should not have these two items. Mainly in the restaurants, there will be large menu items, but 90% times they will say it is not there because they are non-chicken and non-maida items. So these two items plays a major role for the restaurants to become a king. Actually, they become the king, but you become the loser by having overall weights and side effects in your body. And you need to visit the doctors regularly. As you have these two foods regularly, the combination in the restaurant, you are going to put more weights. Your stomach cannot digest it in the 5 hours digestion time. As your body is fully resting, there is no hormone to secrete and digest it. It returns as a fat in your tummy, and you are going to get a big tummy in a real-time scenario. So alternately, you can plan your food menu for your dinner, like you can have a weekly vegetables or a fruits or a carbohydrates diet. And I have seen many people having coke with biryani or kebabs or grills and with maida items like naan. This is very dangerous thing which you are having. It's like drinking a poison or taking a poison to your body. Now take a scenario like you have an employee in your company working day and night. You know how tiresome it will be. So like this, your stomach will also be very tiresome at night, and you are giving a hectic work to him to complete it by morning 6 o'clock. So this is similar to that, having aerated drinks or cokes or biryani or kebabs at late night. You are giving your stomach an overload of work. So what will happen to the employee, at the end of the day? He will go sick next day, or he's going to have a headache, or he's going to continue that and he's going to spoil his life or health style. These are the reasons I am telling to avoid these two items going forward. I have experienced the side effects and other things myself, as I was following the wrong food style. I was having this late night kebabs, grills, and even biryanis at night. So I stopped it for 6 months. During this lockdown was helping me out to follow the standards. So I would gradually see that there is a good change in me, and even at morning 7 o'clock I will start getting hungry for my breakfast. So many people who are going for office at 10 o'clock will get up early, and when they are having their breakfast at home, they will not feel hungry itself. They will have it for time's sake. So if you are having a limited food, or if you complete your dinner by 9 o'clock, you will feel that the next day hungry for breakfast around 7 o'clock in the early morning. So I personally suggest to follow this good lifestyle. So I have personally experienced it and benefited of it. So I have told you what I know. So things which I have told you will put a bright light on your brain to avoid these foods. So keep following me for good videos. So that's it in this video. So let's see in the next new video. Bye.